Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the download. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is active, check whether you need 64-bit or 32-bit installer, and free at least 500 MB. Once done, sign into an administrator account if prompted. That avoids permission prompts during install. Next, choose the stable channel unless you want experimental features. Now click the official download button in your preferred browser and save the installer to downloads. Don't run yet. Proceed to the next slide for execution steps. You will now run the installer and configure options. Locate the downloaded file in Downloads, right-click and choose Run as Administrator to prevent blocked installations. Follow the installer prompts, accept terms, use the default install path unless you prefer a custom location, and opt to make Chrome your default browser if you want. During setup, decide whether to send usage stats and allow automatic updates. Turning updates on keeps security patches current. After installation completes, launch Chrome and sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks and settings. Finish by verifying the installation and setting preferences. Open Chrome and go to menu right arrow help right arrow about Chrome to confirm the version and automatic updates are active. Once confirmed, import bookmarks from other browsers and set sync options for passwords and history. Create a desktop shortcut if you want quick access. If the installer fails or Chrome won't start, try running the installer in Windows compatibility mode or temporarily disable antivirus software. Re-enable it after. If problems persist, reboot and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.